Hi everyone, this is Kay, and I am in the Lillehammer area. Now a lot of you will probably remember the Olympics from 1994, which was held in Lillehammer, Norway, and that's where I am right now. We are actually on fall vacation, and a good thing to do is to rent sort of these cabins that are meant for ski resorts. But in any other season except for skiing season, because you can get them in pretty decent. You can get them for a pretty decent value. But as you can see, it's foggy. It is pouring rain, but it's beautiful still. We have been out. We have been hiking in this weather. There's this, for some people, very annoying expression in Norway saying there's no bad weather, only bad clothing. So we're trying to live that up. But anyway, this is where we are today. We are going to go to another cabin a little bit later in the week. And that's further north in Norway. And hopefully there'll be nicer weather there. But anyway, this is where we are at the moment. Okay, bye. Liker du ikke å gå på veien? Nei. Ok. That's how you travel on the cheap, but still beautifully. Well, this is where we are staying tonight. Does not look shabby at all. Gorgeous. And the sun's out too, which is wonderful. Yeah, we're going to spend the next couple of nights here. I think we'll like it. Hi there! I am out hiking and it is beautiful here. Oh, so nice. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the valley where I am. But yeah, oh, nice, and finally some beautiful sun. So let me turn the camera around. There's some cows. The only thing that kind of ruins it for me a little bit, this beautiful landscape painting picture here, are all those plastic bales of hay everywhere. In the olden days, they were put on these little fences to dry. But yeah, that was the olden days. Actually, I remember it from being little. That's when they, I guess, still did it. And but now there's only these big plastic, I don't know, marshmallow-looking things of hay. But still, beautiful. Look at them cows. There's the rest of the family. They're liking it too. Checking in again. Look at these gorgeous mountains back here. They are so pretty. I'm actually sort of close to a road now, but yeah, I also wanted to show you that if any of you remember this jacket I just found not that long ago, right? It's a perfect hiking jacket. So yeah, beautiful mountains here. I'll check in later. Having these grassy roofs, that's a very typical way of, or used to be a way of insulating roofs in Norway. And it's still very, very common. People use it for a lot of their cabins and cottages, and it's just very quaint. But yeah, this is how they used to do it on the old farms. And I'll show you, I'm sure, more of these as I go along. Even the main building of where we're staying right now, there's some grassy roofs, and also on this old building right here. Very quaint. Here's our rental car. And here is the new day. Oh, it was really chilly this morning. And the place we're staying right now is not as warm as we were yesterday. So, yeah, anyway. But the sun has kind of broken through a little bit there. And we watched the cows get fed something yummy this morning. They were mooing like crazy. And now we're going to go find a little hiking trail that's kind of easy today. We're going to take it easy because the kids are rebelling a little bit. So, yeah, we can't totally squash all their future hiking spirit by forcing them to do all kinds of crazy hikes. So today we're going to take it easy. And to tell you the truth, I'm really happy about that too. All right, we are way up in the mountain, and it's about 1,000 meters above sea level right now, and very misty here. But this is an old summer farm, part of it called a seter in Norway, and in the olden days they used to take all the animals up in the mountains to graze during the summertime. So yeah, there's a lot of activities in the summertime. A lot of these old farms, summer farms, are now turned into cabins and such, but yeah, just absolutely beautiful. Even in the mist, totally foggy up here. But yeah, this old nice fence. A lot of history and mythology about these old places and what happened up here in the summertime, as you can imagine. beautiful straw roof again. Some moss. I like the way they trim it with the birch bark. I think that's pretty clever. And pretty too. And the sun is up there. It just can't quite burn through all this mist and fog. Tyttebær in Norwegian, lingonberry in English. And they're all over Scandinavia, and they are delicious. A little bit like cranberries. Here's my little picker. Very good picker for lingonberries. Alright, so the mist has just cleared. And wow, really pretty horizon now. Gorgeous. Good job, son. How some of these old dwellings, cabins, are still being used, and now a little more efficiently. Look at that. They put a sun panel on the wall there. So that is actually a kind of a neat contrast. So quiet. It's just a small waterfall close by. Just beautiful. Okay, this is our last day here and we are on the way back. It is pouring rain outside. Oh my goodness, it's so wet and miserable looking. And those poor cows out there, soaking wet. But yeah, it's been a good stay here at this hostel. The fun thing about it actually, and this has never happened before because I've stayed at a lot of hostels. We had the entire place to ourselves. We were the only people here, that makes it a really good thing when you're a family. You don't have to worry about the noise and everything. So yeah, that's a new experience, having an entire hostel to yourself. So yeah, recommended, definitely. All right, well, we are going to drive home in the rain. Talk to you soon. This is called Sør-Fron kyrkje. Looks almost a little Eastern European to me, but yeah, I think this is a very handsome, good-looking church. Unfortunately, I can't go inside today. It's pouring rain out here. Old graveyard up there, but yeah, I think this one is very, very elegant and fairly old. 1787. Yeah, I'm cold and I really gotta pee.